Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install Microsoft Teams on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, click on App Launcher icon. Here look for the new Apps and Games application, simply open it. Here on the search option, search for Microsoft Teams and from the search result, select the application. Here we have different options to install Microsoft Teams. If you want Android version, you can install it from Google Play Store, and if you want web version, you can simply click on download from web. Select your preferred option and click on install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply click on close the window. Now click on App Launcher and look for Microsoft Teams application. Simply open it. Now log in with your Microsoft account in order to use Microsoft Teams application. After that, you are ready to use Microsoft Teams on your Chromebook. If you want, you can also pin the application to Chromebook cells. For that, right click on the application, then click on pin. You can simply use the shortcut to open Microsoft Teams. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.